So yeah, this is a great angle for me, but I am back home and I took you guys around with me to Home Goods, At Home. Is that it? Oh, and Forever 21, where I found Halloween things that I didn't think I'd find. So I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So I didn't get anything before we started. I did not get anything from At Home. There was these little broom things I wanted that I think you could kind of see in one of my little clips, but I liked them, but I also was like sitting there thinking, one, they didn't have a price on them, and two, I was wondering, can I make that? So I'm going to see if I can make something like that for my mantle this year. So I'm going to show you what I got from At Home first, and then I'm going to show you what I got from Forever 21. So look at this shower curtain. How freaking cute is that? It's got puppies all over it. It's all a bunch of puppies. I'm so excited, and it's a 72 inches by 72 inches. It's not my favorite texture to be touching because it's like, it is a machine washable shower curtain, but I don't know, it's kind of rough for me, but since it's a shower curtain, I'm not really worried about it. It's going up in my shower. Actually, it's going up in my kid's shower because that's our like public bathroom. The ones that the people come over and use, so they'll see it in there. I got that. Thought that was cute, and I had the kids help me pick out which one they wanted, and we all totally agreed on the puppies. That's why I was leaning towards it anyway. I lied. I did get something from Home Goods. Hang on. This is what I got. 4-pack color changing reusable to-go cups. And what was funny to me was it says add hot drinks to change colors, right? And then on the back it says not intended, if it will zoom in on there, not intended for hot liquids. That does not make any sense. Add hot drinks, not intended for hot liquids. Would you please tell me which one you want? Which one you mean? Which one it is designed for? Whatever. That's all I got from Home Goods. No, At Home. That's all I got from At Home. Excuse me. So this is the next thing I got from Home Goods. It's a Home Goods TJ Maxx combo. So if I say TJ Maxx, I mean Home Goods. Look how cute. It's puppies. You probably can hear them in the background. I'm sorry. I don't know if this is clicking. I really hope it's not, because I've got my extender cable on there, and I just found out when I put it in there that this clicks. So anyway, if it's clicking, I'm sorry. I cannot get rid of it because I can't hear it here while I'm filming. Anyway, look at the puppies. Like, look how cute. This is my favorite because it's got the moon. And then the little broom. Oh, pumpkin, the witch. And then look at the inside. Look how cute. There we go. That was $3.99, and this is, I don't know what kind of cup this is. Oh, I love when they don't push it all the way down. It says cat. Why does it say cat on there? It's probably category. So you're peeling this off slowly. No stickies. No stickies. I hate sticky stuff. I really, really do. Those texture things. Anyway, brand is Cook Smart. I don't think I have ever had a cup from them before, but I thought that was super duper cute. Oh wow, okay. It has an overlay there. That's weird. If I would have saw that, I would have picked up a different one, but it's still super cute. You probably saw it in the little clip before this when we got home. I got the dogs, but it's probably just gonna be Theo's. It's like a ball pumpkin with handles combo kind of thing, and he loves balls, especially like the big ones. This sounds horrible. My dog Theo loves balls. But anyway, I'm making it worse. So I bought it for all of them, but Luna doesn't really play with toys. She does, but she doesn't. You have to have everybody up for her to play with you. Ava doesn't get to play with toys because of Theo, and Theo just hoards all the toys. So you have to put him up or put him outside and play with them separately. Otherwise, they won't play. They just won't. Oh, I got one more thing. Not Halloween related, but I thought these were cool. They're iridescent watercolors. It's kind of hard to... nope. Lights everywhere. They were $7.99. I don't know if it's focusing on that or not, but I thought they were kind of cool. I thought they were neat to maybe play with, maybe give them to somebody else. I don't know, we'll see. We might just give them to somebody else. I keep forgetting that I'm talking to a camera and I'm leaning over here putting things away. Sorry, it's not my best vlog. We went out to eat, which was not my best decision, but we went out to eat and then we went across and we went to the mall, which has a Forever 21 in there, which I don't get to go that often. And they had a whole bunch of buy one get one free clearance items. So anything with a red tag is buy one get one free, which I guess I forgot when I was picking up half of my things, and I ended up only spending $33 on all of this in total. And so my daughter picked out she picked out 3 articles of clothing. She got a hat, a bucket hat, which is super cute. It has little mushrooms all over it. Super duper cute. She got, which I have in here, which I'll probably show you. Halloween related items are these. So I got each of these. That means I bought one and got them both for $3. Like, they're supposed to, I figured out on the back. I was like, how do you know what size they are? Because they all have that same face on them. But I found out that this right here would tell you what the wig was supposed to look like, because this one in here is different. So, and it would tell you in the back, it tells you how to take care of it. But they had more there. I probably should have got some more, but I thought since I'm kind of playing around with wigs more, I thought these would be fun to play with. And I got red and this purple and black. That'd be cool. I don't know. They had a really light purple there, my husband pointed out, but I don't know why I didn't get it. I just didn't get it. Then my daughter and I got these cute 2 little cat. They're super cute. I don't know why we liked them so much, but they were buy one get one free, obviously. And the black one's mine and the white one's hers. And I thought they were super cute. It's like Luna and Artemis, I thought. And so we got those. And those were considered in like a haul. So I put a little clip here in the my shopping time. There was just a bunch of boxes. And I was like, what is this? Why is there boxes in the floor? And what are they filled with? And then I realized it was all Halloween stuff. Not all of them, not all the way down, but like the first 2 were filled with Halloween things, like socks and trinkets and stuff. And I was like, ooh, cool. So maybe I had to tell myself no on some things, because I also forgot when I was going through that they would he's mad. When I was going through that, I forgot they were buy one get one. So basically whatever I bought one of, I could have gotten another one for free. I don't know why I didn't think about that. I didn't think about that until I checked out, and I was like, why is it only $33? It should have been like $20 alone for the skirts. And then I remembered I got all the rest of it for buy one get one free, because I should have got another one of these. This is the earbud holder. I thought that was super cute. Oh, it is compatible with only iPods. Dang it, because I have Samsung. I don't do iPhone. So I wonder. It's so cute too. Aw, Pooh. Oh, it's so freaking cute. Oh, it's got like a... Okay, I don't know what that is. Oh, maybe you loop something. So it's got this thing in the back here. And I guess you're supposed to loop something in there. Anyway, this is super cute. I could never keep my earbuds in there because 1, it would come right out. And 2, mine's... Yeah, it wouldn't fit in there. But it's so cute. Maybe I'll just give it to my daughter. Oh, man. Dang it. I should have read that. I knew it. I should have got another set of these, not thinking, because all these socks, there are 5 in here, because it was already open when I picked it up. I was trying to look for another one, but this is it. So these were originally $6.99, I think this says. And I got them for $1. Or they were one of my free items. Pumpkins. More pumpkins, with jack-o'-lanterns, whatever you want to call them, then stripes, those, and then more of those. So I usually only wear ankle socks when I'm wearing tennis shoes and stuff. I don't like my socks to come all the way up unless I'm doing it on purpose. I have like boot socks and stuff. So these are the last 2 officially Halloween items I got. The other one I'll show you, which is my article of clothing that it's not Halloween, but my brain was Halloween related when I got it. So anyway, I got these clippies, these cute little clippies, and they're like, yeah, they're felt. They're felt. I thought they were cute. And then, so, buy one, get one free. Not bad. And then look at that. Cute, huh? These are little devil horns. Or wait. Oh, no? Oh, I did it. I'm sweating so bad in here. It's so hot. I just couldn't get out. But they're all yelling in there, and this is the best lighting. So, and all the other stuff is I previously recorded. I recorded on my phone, so if it's a little like janky, I apologize. Oh, is it missing a stud? What's going on there? It is missing a stud. That's fine. I don't care. I got it for free or $1 or something. Okay, that's cute. Oh no! It broke. This is how much they originally were, which is like $4. Granted, that's not a lot. Oh my god, just focus. Granted, that's not a lot, but I'm still glad I didn't pay that for it, because if I got home and paid like $5 for that and it did that, then I'd be mad. But I think I can put a little bit of, you call it E6000? I had to look at it. The jewel flew out and everything. Not the best angle because they're not wanting to stay. Okay. This is my skirt. It's brighter on here, or at least on camera. I thought Velma for Halloween with this, and I'll probably also, I don't know why I'm showing you down here, you can't even see it. I thought also, I mean, I would wear it, you know, summertime and all that stuff. I got it for $9, and it was originally, I don't know, they covered it up. It is a smidgen too big for me because I want it to sit like up here, and it sits currently like on my hips, and I don't want it to sit that far down because I'm very short. So everything I needed to set up higher. I think it'd look cuter on me because it would look higher, because it would go in at my like actual waist point. That's what I got for that, and I will probably wear it with like other shirts and stuff, especially since I wear a lot of black shirts. I think it would look really cute with that. This is what my daughter got. Oh, I didn't realize it had a green line on it. Okay. She got this. It's super cute. And she got this. I think it's supposed to be a crop top, but it's just like a normal shirt on her because it's My Hero Academia. And she absolutely loves this dude. I don't know his name, but this was $9. The skirt was $9, so we got buy one, get one free. Yeah, I really should have bought another one of those, damn it. And then my son got some shorts. Not really Halloween, but I thought I'd share. So let me see. I'm trying to see if it says how much I saved, but it does not. My son's swim shorts weren't included. Those were off on its own. But anyway, so there's my little bit of a haul. I thought that was kind of cool. I just wanted to share with you guys. Oh my god. It's so hot in here. And sweat. Sweat, baby, sweat. I'm not gonna finish the rest of the song because I will get, what's the word I'm looking for? And if you know the rest of that song, finish it in the comments below. Well, I'm trying to keep the tag on there because I'm not returning it. It has like a, I don't know, plasticky smell, I guess. I had some kind of smell that made me concerned. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's like, I'll definitely have to fix and maneuver things. It's not a pro wig by any means. I'm living my Monster High dream. Monster High came out way after I was in school and a little kid. I had kids of my own when it came out, and I wished it was in a popular thing when I was a child. I mean, it's cool. Definitely be cool for some content. I'm gonna do my like extra punk days. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try the other one on. Oh. Okay, so I think they don't say how much these originally were. Oh, holy crap! I wish I would have seen that. Originally $18 for this. $18. $18. Look at the difference. This is a $10 wig on Amazon. $10. That we bought. I knew it was like 8 actually. I think we got it on sale. It was like 8. Whatever. We bought this for my daughter's Halloween costume because he was that Deku guy. The guy on her shirt that she liked. $10 wig. It looks far better than an $18 wig that is fairly thin. I just thought $3, cool, fun. I did not realize it was originally that expensive. Holy crap, because I would have thought this would have been way more detailed, full, not extremely Halloween-y. Like, it's fine because it's what it's for. That's what it was meant for. It wasn't meant for like a permanent kind of wig. But this is also was like a Halloween wig for $10. $20. Very different. I want to try this red one just to see. Oh man, this one was open too. I knew it. It says curls. Ooh, man. Maybe these are kids' wigs because they're not so full. They're super duper fake looking. This was supposed to have bangs. Maybe it's just supposed to have side bangs. So if I put it, how did this turn into a wig testing thing? Somebody that makes wigs, or not makes wigs, that does wigs all the time, if you follow me or you know anything about them, how do you make an extremely, and I do mean extremely, not Amazon extremely cheap, but extremely almost dollar store quality that would have been a $20 wig look good? Give me details. Details. I need details. Because, I mean, I guess from far away, it's just like, whatever, I'm a weirdo, I know. But I didn't mean for this to turn into a wig show. I just wanted to try them on and see it. It's kind of growing on me, though. But, like, I'm just going to do this. Down over my eyebrows. Thank God I did my eyebrows today because my bangs cover my eyebrows. So there are days that I don't want to do them. I'll show you my ladies. Ignore my curtain. Ladies. I have the Sanderson sisters. Well, except for she would have been blonde. I almost have the Sanderson sisters. Damn it. Oh wait, I'm blonde. Never mind. Okay. Ladies. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and all those lovely things. And follow me everywhere at Hello.Sparkles everywhere, except for Twitter. I don't really understand Twitter, but I haven't connected anything to that. Anyway, it's Hello.Sparkles on Instagram and TikTok, and Hello Sparkles here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up because it makes me oh so happy, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already because it makes me super happy, and that bell because it makes me extremely happy when you guys get a notification that I posted a new video. I'll see you next time.